Well, good afternoon slash evening, YouTube. It's currently Tuesday, September 9th, 2025. It's about 6:45. Just about, it says 80, but I think it's more like 78 out here. Super late ride. I woke up kind of later than I wanted to this morning. I woke up at 7:05 and I was feeling kind of out of it because I was playing video games too late. So I was all kind of disoriented when I woke up, and it took all day to get me to the point where I'm feel oriented right now. So remember, it would be super duper awesome if you could like, subscribe, comment, share. Subscribers, thank you for hanging in there. New subscribers, welcome to the channel. Random viewers, consider subscribing. My channel's picking up the pace again. We got like about 10 new subscribers over the past few days. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. Also, don't forget to check out my discount links in the description. I've got a bunch of e-bike brands down there, and I've also got camera and accessory discounts for Insta360. So check those out. I finally got in contact with them about getting my affiliate payments from them, and it's supposedly under review now because they owe me like $162. So I could really use that right now. And also thank you to the people that used my link and made those purchases. You made that $162 possible. It gets, according to the internet, it gets dark at 7:07 today, and it's like I said, 6:45ish. So I only have maybe a half hour before I need to be home. So, oh, dude, what the hell, man? Pay the hell attention, bro. Don't look at me like I did something wrong. Oh, that would have been nasty. That's freaking really recessed, tiny little meter hole, like a water meter hole or something, like those little blue capped ones, like really deep. That would have been extremely jarring on the old bodyola. Not a good way to start the old ride-ola, with a crash-ola and a trip to the hospital-ola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, ¿y tú? I remember that from the Spanish class. My phone's digging into my leg. Oh, well, at least I know it's there. I don't have the right of way. The smell of car exhaust in the afternoon. Eventually we won't have to deal with that anymore because everything's going to be electric, hopefully. It'll just be the feel of ozone in the air. It'll be the feel of static electricity in your hair standing on end because of all the waste electricity. Just charging the particles in the air around you. Like zap. Oh, it's like they have dug a trench over here. Unless the city did that, or no, it looks like the city must have done that. No, temporary no parking right here. That's for the residents right there. Resident wheel. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go up here and like turn around and come back like eventually, like sooner than later, because darkness is falling. Oh, we forgot to take our, let me rephrase that. I was a healthy, sound mind and body. I was supposed to take the cans out last night and I forgot. I didn't forget. I fell asleep and woke up at like 7 in the morning. But then I forgot. And then our black trash can didn't get picked up. So the only thing that got dumped today was our recycling bin. The green waste was empty. We didn't need to take that out there. I mean, I didn't need to take that out there. Mom was like, "You're going to bring the trash cans in before you go for your ride?" I'm like, "Mom, I got like 20 minutes. Bringing the cans in is like about 3 minutes off of that time. I'll try to do it when I get home. Sorry. Got a really late start today." Oh, man. It's like these people don't think I'm going to stop or something. Just because I don't put my feet down right away doesn't mean I can't stop and sit there for a second before I have to drop a foot down. I need new Vans. That's why I need that $162 from Insta360. I need new Vans. My toenail poked through the front of my shoe, and the same shoe, that's the heel's kind of worn out on the inside because of it rubbing against, I think, my kickstand, something on the frame or the frame itself. It might be actually hitting the carrier. It's rubbed away over time. I mean, I technically could grab some duct tape and spray it the color of the shoe and just put it on there. Something my cousin Wayne used to do with his boots. He had these pair of boots, these cowboy boots, and by the time he was done with them, they were literally duct tape and most of the sole. I'm gonna make a right here and work my way back. Over in the process. They need to spray that orange or something, man. Get that shit in the dark and you're boom. Well, stupid metal cover plates right there. I mean, very necessary trench covering metal cover plates right there, but it's not very well highlighted for dark conditions. Swerved around it at the last possible second. I hope all this road work they're doing is in preparation to strip this asphalt down and put some new stuff, new pavement down, so these roads aren't so bone jarring anymore. That would be freaking awesome. I swear to God, that guy had a blinker on. It's the second time in like 2 rides that someone's had a blinker on there and then changed their mind at the last second. This has definitely got to be the water company coming through here. Or something, I don't know. I'll ask my buddy, my roommate Dave, because our friend Tony works for the water district for California, so for the city. So I'm gonna say, hey, has Tony mentioned if they're doing any stuff in our area? Just open trench, yeah, right there. I can make a right here though. Honestly, I wasn't going to ride. I was going to wait till tomorrow morning, but then I just got really bored and sleepy, and I don't want to go to sleep yet, so that's why I'll come out here and work up a little bit of an appetite and go home and eat way too much and defeat the whole purpose of working up the appetite by overindulging. That's just what I do. Or maybe I'll keep it simple and have a can of soup. A can of soup sounds kind of easy and consumey, and without being over consumey. So don't sue me, roomy. I think I'm going to turn the front light on here. It's getting dim enough out here. I could probably upload this video when I go home. It's going to be pretty dang short. So someone was nice enough to comment in my videos, let me know they're enjoying my videos because they find them very relaxing. I also agree, my videos can be very relaxing. I've put myself to sleep with my own videos, so if you've had that effect and you really needed to go to sleep, you're welcome. But if the opposite was the thing and you watched it and you fell asleep and you were pissed because my video put you to sleep, I'm sorry. But hey, now you know what you can use to go to sleep when you need to. Don't take no melatonin, just watch one of my videos. There you go, drop right off. Yeah, I guess I'm going to go home. By the time I get back to my house, it's going to be pretty darkish out here, so I was thinking about heading up towards Blair Park, but I'm not going to do that today, tonight, whatever, this evening. My chest is kind of burning too. I'm having some heartburn right now or something. It's not comfortable. And I'm slowing down because I want to make sure you're actually going to stop. Okay. That guy slowed his roll, but he never actually stopped. Ooh, somebody's barbecuing. Meat. I crave meat. That's what I'm gonna have when I go home. Some kind of meat. Maybe I'll make a couple of burgers. One time my brakes decided not to squeak. Hello. Did I go down too far? No, I didn't go down too far. Did I go down too far? I think I went down too far. No, I didn't go down too far. Thought I was like way down there. This should be Marshall right here. That was a nice little get out of the house and ride around cruise on the old e-bike in the evening. I'm not mad about that. I'm quite happy about it, actually. Now I gotta go take some Pepto and drink a bunch of water and eat way later than I planned on. Alrighty. Oh, sorry, Mom, I can't get the cans right now. My chest is bugging me just a little bit too much. An olive, 4 miles. 4.1 miles. That's cool. Oh, man. Oh, man. So something bit me, like, on the back of my left thigh, up right below my left cheek shoulder, pretty good sized welt, and then something bit me behind my right ear. It was like a welt behind my right ear, so I think it was a spider. Because last night when I was playing my game, I felt something crawling across my bare chest, and it was a spider, and it was on the right side of my body. I think a little bastard bit me behind my ear for some weird reason, marking his ear territory, I don't know, and then fled across my chest, which was enhanced by my flicking of him. Gosh darn it, Dave. Oh, damn it. Okay, I didn't do a good job getting my bike in here. I knocked the pump over again. Different pump. Kickstand goes the other way, Larry. Yeah, I should have just waited till tomorrow morning because I don't feel good now. Oh, man. Okay. Get this put away in a hurry here. Apologize to Mom about the trash cans and go collapse in my room in front of my air conditioner because it's nice out there, but it's warm in here. So with that, remember to have a wonderful whatever wherever you are, and I'll see you all in my next e-bike video, which hopefully will be tomorrow morning. Hopefully I'll feel better and it'll be cooler out and I can ride further, maybe shoot for 15 miles or something, even with the sore on the back of my leg. Okay, I will talk at you all later. Goodbye.